subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents chicken knots. Take 250 grams chicken, cut into small pieces. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Pinch of white pepper powder. ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. ½ teaspoon Tandoori Masala. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon plain flour. 1 tablespoon corn flour. 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. 2 tablespoon curd. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney. Squeeze some lemon. Combine well. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Line up 6 spring roll sheets. Divide into 4 equal parts as shown. Separate each sheet out. Peel out each sheet. Time to making knots. Put 1 marinade piece in each square sheet. Roll it. Now tie a knot as shown. Repeat the same procedure to make more knots. Make sure that marination doesn't come out from the knot, otherwise it'll burn and spoil your knots. All knots are tied up. All knots look like this. Remove in a bowl. Knots are ready to fry. Preheat the oil. When bubbles appear around skewers, which means oil is ready. Drop chicken knots in hot oil on low to medium flame. Keep flipping, keep cooking. Fry until nice golden brown. Remove it once done. Drain the excess oil. Time for plating. Let's hear the crunchiness. Do try this quick and easy crunchy chicken knot bites recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.